Hey guys, I figured we'd do a quick toolbox tour. Got a couple cars in the shop right now. Nice Grand National Express van and a BRZ. Top drawer, I got standard wrenches, some adjustables. Up top, just got a bunch of lights, torque wrenches, battery chargers. We got the metric wrenches with the ratchet wrenches. Williams brand and the blue points. They got the thumb switch for forward and reverse. Screwdrivers, picks, Allen keys. Got our pliers. Kind of have a little bit of a junk drawer slash little quarter-inch bits and wire wheels. We got files. Got some specialty pliers, the long reach. Some hose clamp pliers as well. Got our little assorted hammer drawer. This bad boy, we got most of our sockets. Impacts, chromes, deep, some specialty stuff as well. Axle nut sockets. Torx bits. We got most of our extensions here. Our assortment of ratchets. And we got various specialty tools. Another drawer. Got some of our electrical diag tools in here. And we're a rigid family down here, so we got our drawer of electric tools and some pneumatic stuff as well. Some more diag in this drawer. More diag. Got some trim tools, measurement devices. Yeah.